Welcome to Positive Change. I am your KB. In this video, we are going to see about the stress. And yeah, we should know our stress. Do watch this video fully and take full information and share in your friend circle. Let's dive into the topic. Hope everyone knows stress and also have several experience of that. Don't worry, I'm not going to take your time very long. We are going to discuss about prevent or manage the stress. When we know how to manage something, then it may not be a big deal to cross a long or critical bridge of situations. First of all, we should know what causes stress. It might be your job, relationship, health, wealth, blah 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 blah, something like that. Yeah, it's demanding deadline, an overcrowded train throwing a command. Of course, it's not happening nowadays due to COVID. We are missing the crowding train. Yeah. To know your stress, try this. Take a piece of paper and divide into three columns. In first column, list your stresses, for example, presentation on tomorrow. In second column, get specific about exactly why you feel stressed. So, if you are going to give a presentation, then you might be stressed about the audience or content of this presentation or use of a technology or your performance. In third column, brainstorm the solution. In third column, brainstorm the solution. Do you need some extra technical training or tips or how to calm down your nerves? Try this exercise. Sometimes it unveils the practical solution, and sometimes just knowing your stress can mean that you don't react so strongly to them next time. Hope you like this video and remember to share with your friend circle. Remember to subscribe. Today